Today I'm going to show you how to install the brass pinions onto the stock Ridgerock and Ridgerunner motors, so stay tuned. The press will consist of 2 fluted masonry nails and a block of wood. We're also going to use a bench vise. We're going to cut our wood into 2 strips. It doesn't need to be strips, it could be squares or whatever shape you desire. And we're going to cut down the masonry nails to about 1 inch long. You may need to sand the head of the nail to have a flat surface. In both pieces of wood you're going to drill a straight pilot hole. The first nail goes in like this with the head exposed above the surface. The second one is the opposite. It's actually countersunk onto the back of the wood. And if I turn it over, you can see I drilled a small dimple for the back of the motor shaft at the end bell. Now that the jig is complete, I'm going to turn my attention to the pinions. I'm going to use this rotary tool to open up the hole slightly to ease an installation. I put a small bevel on the end of the pinion using this bit here. Make sure the end of the shaft is set into the dimple on the one end. Set the beveled end of the pinion onto the shaft and sandwich between the nail head. This part of the process is the most important. Make sure from a vertical and horizontal position that the pinion is going on straight. I'm going to leave a link below on my source of pinions from AliExpress. I'm going to slowly tighten this down until we get our proper distance for the pinion to the base of the. I'm going to go very slowly press it on until we've achieved, I think that's it right there. Yes, and then we're done. So that matches our other motor right here. Actually, probably just a little bit more on, I think. Just a little bit. Let me try that again. I think we're just about there. Match it up to the other one. We got just a little bit more to go, I think. Once you press this on, it's pretty much going to be where it is. Just ever so slightly slow, even pressure on your pin. Oh, I think that's right there. Let's double check. Yes, that's perfect, I think. Measure, double check with our measurement here. Actually, it could go. Yes, that's good. That's perfect. So now we have our perfect pushed on, pressed on pinion, and it's ready to install.
So, thanks for watching.